And this is something that I was calling quite often a heart of our Zakroczymi warehouse. But this heart quite soon will have another, let's say, heart. So, I mean, the robot system. This is the sorter. This is something that we was super proud a few years ago when we was launching it. Now it's not anymore the freshest piece of equipment, but it is still working super great. And I mean, sorter is working in quite unintuitive way, let's call it. So there is a huge belt that is going around, and this belt has a lot of small belts which can shoot the products left or right. Yes, and the work here is just to put on the sorter the products that was collected in the storage area, and sorter will automatically sort it for individual customers. And why we are doing it? Because it doesn't sound so natural, so obvious. I have quite nice example. In majority of warehouse, we have sectors in the storage area. And when the order is coming to the warehouse, it is splitted for different sectors. Then people are coming, picking the products. Products are transported somehow by conveyors, by forklifts, manually to the completion area, where they are merged together to form order from one customer. Customer, branch, generally order. And here we have a different logic. Here we merge a lot of orders into something that we call a batch. Batch is a set of multiple orders. Then we are splitting this batch for different sectors, coming, picking all those things, and then people here are putting into the sorter where it is split again for individual orders. Where is the benefit? The benefit is that we are saving walking. So instead, in standard system, if 10 customers will order one piece of the same item, we go 10 times and pick the item. Yeah? In this system, we go just once, pick 10 items, put those 10 items on the sorter, and the rest is done automatically. So we save walking, but of course the proper scale is needed, so it will make sense. I will show you more things on the bottom of the sorter. This is the bottom of the sorter. Here we see products that are already sorted. So each of this slot is one order. And what we do here? Here is a supply of empty boxes, empty plastic boxes. We take it, we open it, and what we do? We just pack the products from this place. Naturally, we take the heaviest one and put it on the bottom, the lightest put on the top. Each slot has two levels, upper and lower. That now it's empty. And after packing the box, we just close it, we press the button, and it goes to the place I will show you where. Quite typical zone in the warehouse, so storage area. Probably most of you know such a view. Yeah? These are the shelves, endless shelves, and conveyors between them. So people are coming here manually picking the products, putting it in the boxes, and then by conveyors, products are transported in this warehouse to the sorter. Here in Zakroczymi warehouse, now we have over 100,000 square meters. So it is really huge warehouse, but storage area looks quite the same in every Intercars warehouse. What is the most important function of each warehouse? This is a good question. Of course, we are putting goods on the shelves, we are collecting it, but in warehouse we have to prioritize always some kind of function. And in Intercars warehouse, we are usually prioritizing quality. So if workshop is ordering the part, we give him kind of a promise that we will deliver this part and he will be able to repair the vehicle and give it to the driver. So here is the quality control. Each box in this warehouse is quality checked. Quality check is done by the weight. We know what is the weight of each product, so we know, what is the weight of the total full box. And then if anything is out of the tolerance, it is here manually checked piece by piece. So really we will be sure that we are delivering what was ordered. I don't like this place very much. Here we are putting the stickers on each box. Putting the stickers so the people will know for whom is this box. Yeah, I mean, generally we know each number in the system, it is coded where it should go. But as we are using multiple, courier services, multiple drivers, we want to have a sticker with the proper address so people can read it. Unfortunately, later on there is additional job because we have to remove those stickers, so box will be ready for another customer. And finally, another sorter, a sorter for the red boxes. So everything that is packed in the storage area directly or on the sorter, or in future in Exotech robot system, is coming here by a conveyor from upstairs. And here we have multiple, endpoints, let's say, of this conveyor. And each of such lane is a separate route. So one is for, north, the another is for south, west, east, and whatever. So different group of customers, different trucks. So here we are stacking those boxes on the pallets so they are ready to pack to the truck. And here is the tire kingdom, the full warehouse dedicated for tires. Tires need kind of a special, conditions for storage, mainly because of fire regulations. Those are quite flammable products, so there has to be, proper sprinklers and anti-fire system. In Zakroczymi we have also quite untypical automation that is not used in any other warehouse yet. So here we have a conveyors and also, kind of a sorter for tires. So semi-automation for tires. What is important? Tire process is relatively manual. And why? Because tire looks quite, easy to handle by machines, yeah? Each tire is quite similar to other tires. But what is here? Tires is a very seasonal product. So here we have peaks and then nothing is happening. So here we can move a lot of people during the high season and then move out those people when the season is not in the top. And automation, so it will work efficiently, has to work non-stop, 24-hour a day, all days in a year. During this vlog, I would like to start kind of a new part, something that I will repeat every vlog. We found a challenge, let's call it in Intercars, challenge with the how wide offer we have. And I noticed that probably none of us know everything what we have in our offer. So we know that we have 660,000 different SKUs on the shelf. This is the number that we are repeating quite often. We know that we have the widest offer, the widest range in Europe for sure. This is our strength, this is what we are proud of. But I would like to repeat in every vlog kind of a new product group, new segment maybe, that I would like to bring closer to you. And if all of you will know what we have, then you will explain as well to our customers, to your friends, to your neighbors, and everybody will know that Intercars is not only related with spare parts for passenger vehicles or eventually trucks. Here we have quite big tires, and this is probably the freshest segment that we are growing. Something that we are calling off-highway. Off-highway, so everything that drives not on the road, not on the tarmac road. Of course, tractors, all the construction machines, all the things that are rather big. So tell everybody that we have all the mechanical parts tires for construction machines, tractors, small or big. And this segment is growing really, really fast. So this is finish of our trip in our prime warehouse in Zakroczymi warehouse. In the future, I will also bring to you more closer all other areas of Intercars. It is really hugely important that each one of you, that each employee will know how the things are working in the whole company, not only in your department, but to really see the big picture, to see the whole Intercars, let's call it from helicopter view. Thank you for this trip.